Morning YouTubers, it's Sunday, May the 12th, and the wind turbine's coming down because I want to evaluate how hard it's going to be to put the old motor back in, the 1 kilowatt motor that I've got. Let me just show you that. So this is the 1 kilowatt motor, and the major difference is, sort of talking about functionally, is the shaft is a lot shorter. So the case that holds the motor in, it needs to be modified, so that's the main thing. What I've found, excuse me, or what I think, is that there's not a lot of difference in between what this motor will make and what the 3 kilowatt motor will make. But very importantly, this one is a lot easier to turn. You can almost get it to turn with your hand, whereas there's no way you can do that. So it may produce a little bit less power, but it'll make it more regularly, if that makes sense. Last time I tried taking that off, it was proper stuff. So there's the 3 kilowatt motor, and the shaft length is longer. What I'm thinking of trying to do is this has to come out, this thing I call the motor cage. This has to come out, and you see you've got these tabs on the outside, these little bits of metal here with 2 holes in so that it can be adjusted. I think if I can weld on a similar tab on the inside, not got a lot of space there, and before I take the motor out I have to make a note of how far down from the front of this the chain starts, because I don't have to be re-drilling the drive shaft. Oh, it's getting hot already. So I'm just going to first get a screwdriver and disconnect the power cables, which are here. So that's all the wires off. Now we've got to find the link on the chain. There it is. Oh, I don't know if you can see, there's only one with writing on it, it's that one. Sorry, it's not a very good angle, I know, there's nothing I can do about it. So there's the chain. So there's the space we've got to work with.